Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for your flight's status using the route in the LATAM Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right, and then click on the flight status button. And as you can see, you can choose if you want to search using the flight number or by route. So just click on the by route button now. And then you have to set the origin country or airport, and then the destination as well. And then you also have to set the flight date. And then if you click on the search button and there's a valid flight, of course, then the information will be there. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.